Loops. Loops are command blocks in AI Connect that can put sets of code in repetitive cycles in order to reduce the steps of the program. There are several types of loop blocks available that are all designed for different purposes. The following are the main types of loop blocks that we can use in AI Connect. For loop, it can repeat a set of blocks for a certain number of times and perform an action on it each time it is repeated. This block is very useful for performing operations on multiple items of a list and printing out the results. Range block. The range block can be used with the for each block to set the maximum number of times it will repeat its actions. Repeat block. Repeat command block simply repeats the blocks attached to it for a certain number of times. It is used to save time and effort as we only need to type the commands once and the block will repeat them automatically. Repeat while. This block also repeats a set of commands in a code but only till a specified condition is met. As long as the condition stays true, the code keeps repeating. Uses of loop blocks. Loop command blocks can be used to print out many useful things that need repetition, like multiplication table, timers, data filing, etc.